Hello friends, I'm here with some really cool new Neewer toys, and this one in particular, the Neewer smartphone video rig, is what we're going to check out today. I'll put the specific model number in the description and a link to Amazon so you can get one for yourself. And let's check it out for the first time together. It actually came in this cardboard box. This is how they shipped it, right here in this cardboard box. And inside is two very small pieces and this tiny little user manual. Now the idea of this rig, this smartphone video rig, is that you can attach your smartphone to it, hot lights, microphones, or GoPros, or any other items or accessories you may have, because it has threaded holes as well as 3 cold shoes. So here you can see 3 cold shoes and 2 threaded holes. First thing we got to do is attach the hand grip. So this sucker goes right here on the side. You can see it just kind of fits into these little grooves that make it line up together, and then you turn this knob and it screws into the hand grip. So the hand grip can go on the side or the bottom. If you mount the hand grip to the bottom using the threaded hole and the thread that's built into the top of this hand grip, you can then hold it like this. So let's check out that lower grip together. First things first is to take this little metal screw off and then put this underneath. You're going to turn the built-in screw, and now you've got this. So you have a choice, this grip or this grip. This thing's getting kind of big and awkward with the under grip, so I think this grip is probably superior. The nice thing about this is, as you can see, it still has a threaded attachment, so you could technically add another camera such as a GoPro to the top of this, or any other kind of light. For example, if you had a small light such as this that doesn't use a cold shoe, it uses a tripod mount, you could attach that right here by just screwing it on. Boom. Now you've added light to your setup. And now I'm blind. So that's really cool right there. Super versatile, super versatile. But we're not going to use this mount. We are going to use the 3 cold shoes. The first option you can utilize is a microphone. This is the Neewer CM14 microphone. It has a cold shoe attachment, so you can slide that right into the first cold shoe, turn the knob, and there you have it. The microphone's attached to the first cold shoe. And now I have the Neewer 42 LED mini LED video light. You can slide this into either cold shoe, and if you really want to get creative, you could slide a second one onto the other cold shoe. And now you've got a 2 light setup with the microphone and the handle. To attach your phone, you simply loosen the screw on the back side and slide it up. It's spring loaded, so you're going to slide it up, put the phone in place, and release, and it snaps the phone in place. Now you can screw this to tighten it, and now you've got a fully functional cell phone video rig. Pretty cool. Check it out. To connect the microphone, I'm going to place the Apple auxiliary adapter into the lightning port, and then connect the microphone cable to the back of the microphone. Now we're hooked up and we're ready to shoot. So we simply turn on the lights. This is low. They each go low or high. This is high. So let's notch them down to low and press the record button. super, super bright. When you're done, turn it off, take it apart, box everything back up. But that's how the Neewer smartphone video rig works. I like it a lot. It's super affordable. It feels decent quality for the price. And it offers a lot of flexibility with all the cold shoes, tripod mounts, and threaded hulls. I think if you were to grab one of these, you could set up a tremendous array of rig configurations for almost anything, and it won't break the bank. If you want to grab one of these lights, the microphone, or the rig itself, just click the Amazon links in the description below. Let me know which one you got, or let me know which ones you have and what you think about it. But I'm super excited. These are about $15 each. The microphones are about $15 each. The rig's like $15-ish. So this entire rig can be set up for about 50 bucks, which is an unbelievable deal. Today's technology is nothing but spoils. 10 years ago, something like this would have been nothing but a dream. Today, you can shoot really cool video for really cheap. You're watching Greg's Adventure. I'm Greg, and this is today's adventure.